Your bathroom is calling for help. Leaking faucets, aging fixtures, that shower that just doesn't work anymore. You're tired of dealing with it. You deserve better. Your home deserves better. This is where Pure Valley Plumbing comes in. For over 7 years, we've been transforming bathrooms across Moreno Valley, California. Not just fixing problems, we're creating spaces that work beautifully, reliably, and last for years to come. From stunning bathroom remodels to complete fixture replacements, our team of 120 skilled professionals knows exactly what it takes to get it right the first time. Think about the stress of choosing the wrong plumber. Wrong. We eliminate the doubt entirely. Pure Valley Plumbing arrives fast, within 60 minutes for emergencies, 24/7. Our fully equipped service vans are stocked and ready. Our licensed master plumbers are EPA LEED Safe certified and trained on the latest technology. You're not just hiring a plumber, you're hiring peace of mind, you're hiring expertise. You're hiring your neighbors, the trusted local professionals who have been recognized year after year for excellence, quality craftsmanship, and outstanding service right here in Riverside County. Your bathroom remodel deserves more than just any contractor. Pure Valley Plumbing brings expert design and installation. We don't just replace fixtures, we transform your bathroom into the sanctuary you've always wanted. New bathtubs, premium faucets, modern shower systems, and complete installations handled with precision. Guaranteed quality. Every bathroom remodel comes with our 12-month parts and labor warranty and our satisfaction guarantee. That's our promise to you. Licensed, insured professional, fully bonded with $2 million in general liability coverage. We're the professionals Moreno Valley trusts. Fast response, lasting results. Whether it's an emergency repair or a full bathroom transformation, our team shows up ready, works efficiently, and leaves your bathroom better than before. If you're a homeowner in Moreno Valley, Rancho Belago, or anywhere in the Inland Empire, you know what it means to have a home you're proud of. Your bathroom should be part of that pride. If you're a business owner, a property manager, or running a commercial operation, downtime is costly. Our commercial plumbing solutions mean minimal disruption and maximum reliability. Everyone deserves a bathroom that works flawlessly. Everyone deserves a plumber who shows up and gets the job done right. Don't wait for that leak to get worse. Don't settle for mediocre repairs. Don't let bathroom problems steal your peace of mind. Pure Valley Plumbing is ready for you. Available 24/7, local, licensed, trusted. Your bathroom remodel isn't just a project, it's an investment in your home, your comfort, and your family's daily experience. Let the experts handle it. Contact Pure Valley Plumbing today and discover why Moreno Valley residents and businesses have made us their go-to source for professional, reliable, expert plumbing solutions. Because when it comes to your bathroom, you deserve Pure Valley Plumbing.